Okay, Acadia V12, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, dual climate control. Okay, uh, driver side temperature control here, controls temperature for driver. Passenger temperature control here. On the top left, pushing the sync button synchronizes the passenger temperature to the driver's temperature. In other words, if this is set at 60 and the driver gets in and wants to sync it, push sync, it adjusts it to whatever the driver's side's set at. Automatic puts it in auto mode, and basically what that'll do is control the airflow and the temperature to whatever temperature you have it set at. The rear button puts it in rear control for rear seat heating and air conditioning. This is the manual fan speed if you want to manually control it. This is the vent for airflow to the vents, airflow to the floor. This is floor and vent, and this is floor and defrost. This is the front window defroster, rear window defogger, air recirculate, air conditioning on and off. I wonder why that air recirculate button's not working. Maybe it's because I have the rear defroster on. Maybe it's because I have the windows open. I'm not quite sure. That's interesting. Let me roll the windows open. And when I put it in auto mode, it seems to want to let me do air recirculation, but when it's in manual mode, oh, it's allowing it now. I'm not quite sure why it wasn't allowing recirculate before, but now it is. Anyway, that's the heating and ventilation system.